everyone, this is John Bowe for Gray's Classic Cars. Obviously we're in lockdown still in Melbourne. I'm here with my little dog Pace, and I'm going to bring to your attention a few of the cars that are about to go to auction at Gray's. So I can't physically see them, but my boys out there have told me all about them, and I'll alert you to the fact. He likes being on the camera, this little bloke. The first one is a VK Commodore Police Interceptor with a proper authentication from the police. It's got big bore engine, fully rebuilt with lots of stuff on it, lots of hot up stuff, including the yellow terra heads. It's got a, excuse me for reading, but I have to, it's got a 10-bolt Salisbury diff with 3.55 gear ratio. It's got a T5 manual transmission. It's got Group A VN brakes on it, HDT 20-inch Momo wheels. It's actually the full thing. It's all done, so you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is drive it. Great weekend cruiser, very fast. Coilover struts at the front, 90-litre drop tank like the race cars had, so it's the full deal. Complete street machine, and it's in a beautiful yellow colour. It's called, let me see, Absinth Yellow. Absinth. So have a look at that on Gray's Classic Cars online.